guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be installing this beautiful wig that I received from EBONYLINE. I'm super excited to work with them because this hair company has to be one of my favorite hair companies to order my synthetic wigs off of. They sent over 2 items for me. So the first one is the actual wig. She is in the style Delilah 34-inch and she is in the color 1B. Before I get into showing y'all the actual wig, I want to let y'all know that this is just like a flat T part. It doesn't have like a full 13x4 lace. It's just like this middle parting space, and then they give you some like frontal lace for like an illusion. So let me show y'all the actual hair. Now, at first I was a little skeptical, but now that I look at it like in person, I'm like, oh my gosh, y'all, she is beautiful. Like, I mean, look at her. Like, she's just giving life, she's giving volume, she's giving everything, y'all. Like, come on. Even the lace, deep part in space, and the lace looks super natural. So the second thing that I received for them, Sif Fast Acting Lace Front Wig Bond Kit. I am very excited to try this. So basically what this is a lace front bond kit. It comes with the lace front glue, and it also comes with lace front glue remover, and it also comes with the lace front glue applicator, so it's like a sponge. So I'm going to show y'all exactly how it looks. So here's the lace front glue, and here goes the lace front glue remover. Here's the sponge that you use to apply the lace front glue. Okay, y'all, so let's get into applying the wig. So the first thing that I'm doing is pinning my hair back on both sides because I don't want the hair to get in the way while I'm gluing my lace down. Now it's time to cut the lace. I like to cut my lace in 3 sections because I feel like working on each section is easier for me. And so now I'm going in with this lace glue, and I'm just gonna dot it. Just put like a little bit. Like, I don't really like to put a lot of lace glue the first time. I'm going in with the sponge applicator that was provided with the kit, and I'm just gonna evenly spread out the glue. So with this Sif Fast Acting Lace Glue, it basically is like a gentle lace glue that's for sensitive skin. So if you have sensitive skin like me, this is like a really good lace glue for you, as opposed to like the other harsh lace glues that, you know, can break people out. It also says that the lace front glue has a low pH of 5.5, which helps fight against the infections on your skin and your scalp, to keep it from like being itchy, and just to keep your skin healthy as you have the glue on it. Okay, so I did notice how quick the glue did dry up when I blow dried it, so I'm gonna put one more layer. So after that dries up, I'm going to pull the lace down, and where you see the hairline starts, I'm going to put the hairline exactly where the glue lays. Right after that, go in with your blow dryer to make sure that the glue is dry, and press it down on your skin to just make sure that lace is fully on. So now we're moving on to the other section of the lace. You're basically going to do the same process as you did with the middle lace tab, and I think I applied like 2 to 3 layers of glue. And do y'all see how quick that glue dried up? And if y'all see me talking right here, I'm just talking about cutting off the air tabs. Just make sure y'all cut off the air tabs to where it's most comfortable for you. Like, you want it to go literally right over your ear. Do not leave any lace on the air tabs. Once you cut that area, that air tab, that section will lay down so much flatter. And for my wig wearers, y'all know how annoying it is for that one section right there that I'm pressing on. When it starts lifting up, I feel like that part lifts up the most with wigs. I don't know why, but just to keep it looking natural and for it to lay down better, make sure y'all cut that air tab off. If you do not have an elastic band, you need to get one ASAP when you are applying your wigs. I feel like the elastic band and that heat combination really helps to melt my lace down. Okay, so now I'm going in with cutting the lace in sections. I am doing the zigzag cutting method. I feel like if you cut straight across, it just doesn't look good. I don't know, it gives off that wiggy type of look, and I don't like that. So I feel like that zigzag type of method makes it look more natural. I cut as close to my hairline as possible. I try not to leave a lot of lace left over. Now I'm just going back in with any areas that I feel like it's lifting up, and I'm just going to use the glue to lay it back down. Okay, so for the baby hairs, a lot of people have been asking me about how I do my baby hairs on a synthetic wig, and I just basically do it the same way I would do it on my human hair wigs. So I'm just taking out a section for that first swoop, and you want to make sure that on both sides each section is the same amount of hair, because you don't want the hair to be too thick on one side and then thin on the other side. So I take some baby hairs out in this area, and I don't really like it to look too thick, so I really try to take out only a little bit. So now it's time to cut the baby hairs. I usually start off cutting my baby hairs right above my eyebrow area, and if I want to cut it any shorter, then I can always just go back and cut it shorter. But the hair can grow back, so you gotta just work your way up. First I go in with my Nairobi foam just to try to like play around with the baby hairs and just keep swooping the hair in like a C motion, and I'm just gonna go follow in with my finger. Then I go in with my Got2b gel in the black tube, and I lay that down because I feel like that really keeps the hair in place. Then I just keep doing the same hand motion until I'm satisfied with the results. These little side areas though, I go straight in with the Got2b gel because it be so hard-headed sometimes. I just don't have time for it, so I'ma just get the quickest way to hold it down, gel it down, and mold it down. And so with this side, I noticed how long the baby hairs were, so I just combed it back out, cut it, and then just literally do the same process that I was doing on the other side with this side. It really takes a certain type of patience with baby hairs, so that's why this part is probably like the most annoying to me. But if you just keep doing it and keep practicing, you'll really get the hang of it. Going in with my Luster's wax stick, I'm going to just put that on the middle part and on the sides as well. And I'm just going to use this as like a mold to flatten the top of my hair and the sides as well as I hot comb my hair. Now I'm taking my hot comb and flattening the sides, the top, because that's the most important part. You don't want like a lumpy looking wig, so make sure you get those sides down, you get the top of your hair down, and you should be good to go. Now I'm defining the part with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. So I don't have any words for this wig. I'm absolutely like just amazed at just the pattern, the style of this wig and everything, y'all. Like, just look at her. She has like so much volume. She looks so natural. Oh my goodness. On the top list of my favorite synthetic wigs, y'all. Look at this. It's so cute. She's supposed to be like, I believe she's 34 inches long. I'm 5'6", so curled, this is how she look. 34 inches. She's super full. She has like this natural type of texture. This wig is 100% beginner friendly. Like, it didn't take much for me to try to install it or to even try to style it. I'm not even gonna brush the curls out. I want to just slightly like run my fingers through it because I don't want the curls to get like too big and out of control, but I just want to, like, you know, try to separate them just a tad bit. But y'all, look at this hair. Like, let me back up a little bit. At first I was skeptical on this wig. I wasn't sure if I wanted to get it or not, but y'all, I'm so happy that I got this wig because she's one of my favorites. She's the fave. She's the top 5 fave, y'all. Like, she looks so natural. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. All right, so now that I am 100% happy about this wig, y'all can see the style. She's super full, super cute. Now I want to get in to tell y'all how I like the lace glue. Let me just tell y'all, this lace glue, Sif lace glue, this right here might be my next go-to. The fact that, one, when I applied the glue, it dried so quickly. Me, I'm very impatient. I am, especially when I'm going out with the girls. I get very impatient even when I get rushed. It's the perfect glue. Like, for a girls' night out and you know your girls are gonna be rushing you, that glue literally, as y'all can see, it dried within like 2 to 3 seconds. No kidding. That's the top thing I love about this glue. Also, I've noticed that this glue has no strong smell. Like, it doesn't have like that chemical strong smell that the other lace glues have. I even smelled the sponge and then I smelled the actual glue. It does not have a strong smell, which I definitely like because I don't want to smell the chemicals that I'm putting on my hairline as I'm putting it on my hairline. It's bad enough that I am putting it on my hairline, so, and on my skin. Dried really quickly. It definitely did not leave a white cast, which I also love about it, and it got my hair glued down. It glued my wig down so good. So I'm gonna have to, this is my next favorite glue. Okay, y'all, so as much as I do not want to take this beautiful wig off, I do want to show y'all how the lace remover works. All right, so we're gonna see how good this is. We're gonna see if it actually takes and removes the lace with ease. Okay, let me just pin my hair back a little bit. Y'all, this wig is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm literally obsessed with it. All right, so it says to spray the lace remover on the lace, then I massage it in, and then I wait 2 to 3 minutes. I don't want to take this off. Oh, it's like, okay, so it doesn't have a smell, but the consistency of it is like an oil base. It's not even watery. I was expecting like a watery, but it's more of like an oil. Let the remover sit for 2 to 3 minutes. I'm just gonna put it in. Ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay guys, so it has been 2 to 3 minutes, and so now I'm going to take off the lace. Let's see if it just takes it off with ease. Okay. Oh, I don't even have like any glue residue, really. Like I can feel that there's like something there, but this might be some good stuff. It's not even like any like sticky, like really like white residue left over. And that's what I really struggle with, like with my other glues. When I take off my lace, it's pretty hard to like take off the glue that's left over. So that's a plus. So look y'all, it's coming off with ease. I'm just trying to like lift it, like peel it up. Okay, and she is off, y'all. I am super excited to continue to use my Sif lace glue and my lace glue remover. I've actually been wanting a lace glue remover for the longest, and something just so easy. 2 to 3 minutes after you spray it, let it sit, and it literally takes off your wig, and it does not leave any type of white residue. And then afterwards, it says that you do have to just like wash it off with some type of clarifying shampoo. This is a 3-in-1. 3-in-1, y'all. So do what you have to do, make your life easier. Okay, it will literally help you with your install. Okay, y'all, thank you guys so much for watching. Please stay tuned for my next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Don't forget to like and comment down below.